So I'm creating a sowing schedule for each one of my vegetable beds to ensure that I stay organised, which is not my strong suit. January and February are the ideal time to start planning because there's not really much else going on. In the front of my makeshift allotment planner, I've drawn out a table of sorts which details the varieties that I plan to grow in each bed. Now, alongside each variety, I'm going to make a note of when they need sowing and transplanting out if applicable, as well as successional sowing dates, so if I'm going to plant them more than once in the year. I've also drawn out a little diagram of each bed with a planting pattern, so I know exactly how many of each thing I'm going to get in each bed and in what arrangement they're going to be positioned in. This in theory will make my job nice and easy when it comes to actually putting things in the ground. For example, let's take a look at plot 1, which is cabbages and onions. I know that cabbages need between 30 and 40 centimetres of space between each other depending on the variety. I know that onions need less space, so I've chosen to interplant my two varieties alongside the marigolds. Now, by doing it like this, it means I'm pretty clear on A, what I need to germinate and when, B, how many of each that I need to germinate, and C, how many I need to plant in each bed and at what spacing, as well as having a good idea about the expected, if everything goes well, predicted yield from this bed. Fail to prepare, prepare to fail.